Hey guys, it's Jeff. Super quick update for you today. Apple released the fourth beta of macOS Mojave, and really there's not too much to talk about other than the second dynamic wallpaper that Apple introduced to us in this beta. So let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so we are on the Mac here, and let's go over to System Preferences to check out the second dynamic wallpaper that Apple has added. And obviously, I want to see these on iOS. Let me know if you guys want to see this on iOS in the comments section down below, because these would be totally awesome on iOS. I think maybe the battery issue, of it taking too much battery might be an issue. I'm not sure. But let's go ahead and take a second look. And what I like now, you can see that currently it is playing throughout the whole dynamic process up here in the preview section. That was not working before, and now it's working. So we can sort of get this in-depth preview of how the dynamic wallpapers look throughout the day, because obviously these are changing based upon the day or time. So that's really cool. We can see that in the background here, we have the Mojave Desert, and it is showing a preview of that. So let's go ahead and look at the new one. And this is called Solar Gradients. And basically this concept is that when you're looking up into the sky, what do you see? You have this sort of white at the bottom here, and then it fades into a blue. And this honestly does look exactly like it does in the sky. Really cool. I'm not the biggest fan of it because I like to see an object or a thing or a place, but I do see that a lot of people would like this. So you can see here in the preview section that it does fade into like this orange type color when there's a sunset, and then it gets really dark when it's nighttime, which is super cool. I think a lot of people will enjoy this, and it just, if you don't see the sky very often, if you're stuck indoors, this might give you some sense of, being outdoors, and it might make people feel good while they're indoors. So honestly, I'm not a fan, but let me know your opinion in the comment section down below. And if you want to see more, let me know, because honestly, I don't think Apple's done here. Usually they don't add everything in before the official release. So we might be seeing like maybe 2 or 3 other dynamic wallpapers. It seems like people have really responded well to these. And honestly, I'm a fan of dynamic wallpapers. And as I said before, I hope these come to iOS. So again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Amongst other changes, I will have a video out on macOS Mojave, and if you should go try it out for yourself, stay tuned for that. And also get subscribed, because we have some other content coming up, which is really cool as well. So guys, thank you all for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.